In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up account alerts and notifications on Chase. You first want to open up the Chase mobile application and sign into your account. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage Alerts from the menu options, then choose the account you want to set alerts for. So select from the following alert categories. There's security alerts, balance and spending, and payments. For each category, customize your alert preferences. This includes the transaction amount thresholds and the alert delivery method. So this can be email, text messages, and push notifications. Then tap Save Changes after setting up each alert. For more specific alerts, you can do payment due reminders. That would be under payments, and set how many days before the due date you want to be notified. Then you can do the transaction notifications. So this would be under security alerts. Set up the alerts for transactions over 1 cent to receive all notifications for purchases. Remember, you can manage alerts for multiple accounts and adjust your preferences at any time through the Chase app or Chase website. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, and goodbye.